This video we are going to show you how to remove the speedometer cluster from a 2006 Pontiac. The tools that you need is just yellow dashboard removal tool plus size 7 socket. The first step, you put the car, make sure you put the car in the neutral, and then you pop out the side cover for the center console, and you can see that there are two size 7 screws in there. You can just remove those two screws and you can remove the cover out. And the next thing you do, you pop out the cover for the shifter assembly. Once you pop it out, and then you can, this is by the way already loose, that's why everything is coming apart. What you do, you put your hand underneath the cover and then you push this the chrome piece upward, and then it would separate from the cover. And once you do that one, then you can pop out the cover for the dashboard. Everything just needs to be popped out. There are no screws involved. You have a choice. If you want, you can disconnect all these connectors and put the bezel on the side, or you can just hold it up there and then remove the 4 mounting screws for the cluster. And the one on the driver's side is a little bit hard to catch if you do not have the right tools. The universal socket, because it's in a particular angle, it's hard to get out. If you don't have the tools, you can pop out the AC vent and then you insert your tool through the hole for the AC vent and remove the screw, which is size 7 also. And then you can remove the speedometer cluster. And if you need any repair for the cluster, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.